Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set stop loss in Charles Schwab. So first thing you need to do is log in your account using the Charles Schwab app or website. After this, find the stock you want to set a stop loss for. You can do this by searching for the stock ticker symbol. When you are ready to place order, simply select sell and then choose the type of stop order you want. You can choose stop order market. You can use stop limit order or trailing stop order. After this, enter the stop price where you want to stop loss to trigger. Double check all of details. Double check all details of your order, including the number of shares, order type, and then submit your order. So that's how you can set stop loss in Charles Schwab. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.